the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro. The much-awaited premium smartphones are finally official. Both of these phones are powered by Google's new Tensor chip, and comes in a very unique design. The rear camera visor on the Pixel 6 holds room for a 50-megapixel wide-angle, and 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, with laser autofocus. In addition, the 6 Pro has a 48-megapixel telephoto camera, up to 4x optical zoom, and also an ultra-wide 4K selfie camera. There's a fingerprint reader underneath the display, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. The Pixel 6 supports up to 90 fps refresh rate, while the 6 Pro can go up to 120 fps, which is even smoother with Android 12. Android 12 brings in a lot of new features in UI, camera, security, and AI, such as Magic Eraser, for removing background objects, motion mode, True Tone Pictures, Call Assistant, live translation, and much more.
I think we're making homemade pasta emoji and ice cream emoji. Send.
These devices will also get security updates for 5 more years. The Pixel 6 has a 6.4-inch 1080p display, 4600 mAh battery, and up to 8 GB RAM. The 6 Pro has a 6.7-inch 1440p display, 5000 mAh battery, and up to 12 GB RAM. The Pixel 6 starts at $599 and the 6 Pro starts at $899.